Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about a small but very interesting bird called the quail. Despite its small size, the quail plays an important role in nature, farming, and human life. In this video, we will learn what a quail is, where quails live, what they eat, how they reproduce, their behavior and sounds, importance of quail farming, and many amazing facts. So let's begin. A quail is a small ground-dwelling bird. It belongs to the pheasant family. Quails are known for small, round bodies, short wings, and fast running ability. They usually prefer to run instead of flying. When they do fly, it is for short distances only. There are more than 130 species of quail found around the world. Some common types of quail include common quail, Japanese quail, bobwhite quail, California quail, and button quail. The Japanese quail is the most popular for farming and egg production. Each species is slightly different in size, color, and habitat. Quails are found on almost every continent except Antarctica. They live in grasslands, farms and fields, forest edges, and bushy areas. Quails prefer areas where they can hide easily from predators. They are commonly found in Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. Quails are small birds. Average features include length 15 to 20 centimeters, weight 70 to 140 grams, short tail, strong legs. Their feathers are usually brown, gray, or sandy in color, helping them blend into their surroundings. Quails are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and insects. Their diet includes seeds, grains, grass, insects, worms, and small bugs. In farms, quails are fed special grains, protein-rich feed, and clean water. They eat small amounts, but very frequently. Quails are shy birds, fast runners, and social in small groups. They make soft calling sounds, especially during mating season or to warn others of danger. Male quails often call to attract females. Female quails lay 8 to 15 eggs at a time. Important facts: eggs hatch in about 16 to 18 days. Chicks can walk within hours of hatching. They grow very fast. Quails reach maturity in just 6 to 8 weeks, which is very fast compared to other birds. Quail eggs are small, spotted, and very nutritious. Benefits of quail eggs: high protein, rich in vitamins, good for immunity. Quail meat is soft, tasty, and low in fat. That is why quail farming is popular worldwide. Quail farming is easy and profitable. Advantages: requires less space, low investment, fast growth, high egg production. Quails are ideal for small farmers, home farming, and commercial poultry farms. They can be raised in cages or controlled environments. Quail farming is easy and profitable. Advantages: requires less space, low investment, fast growth, high egg production. Quails are ideal for small farmers, home farming, and commercial poultry farms. They can be raised in cages or controlled environments. Quail farming is easy and profitable. Advantages: requires less space, low investment, fast growth, high egg production. Quails are ideal for small farmers, home farming, and commercial poultry farms. They can be raised in cages or controlled environments. Quails play an important role in the ecosystem. Control insect population, serve as food for predators, help seed distribution. They are a vital part of the food chain. Quails play an important role in the ecosystem.
control insect population, serve as food for predators, help seed distribution. They are a vital part of the food chain. Quails play an important role in the ecosystem. Control insect population, serve as food for predators, help seed distribution. They are a vital part of the food chain.
Quails can camouflage very well. Some quails migrate long distances. They mature faster than chickens. Quail eggs were used in ancient medicine. The quail is a small bird with great importance. It helps nature, provides healthy food, and supports farmers. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.